So today we're going to go way back in history. We want to teach you something today that happened many years ago that may still be an issue today with some realtors, and I don't want you to get involved. Hey, hello everybody, thank you for coming to this week's video blog. My name is Robert Rico with California Realty Training. Back in the day, of course, there was a lot of segregation here in the United States of America, huh? Sure, this is the best place in the world to live, but there was a lot of segregation in America back in the day. So what happened is this: we had some great laws that were put in place, particularly in 1968, huh? 1968, we started off with the Civil Rights Act, which included the Fair Housing laws. Got it? It included the Fair Housing Act. That being said, it went away and eliminated a lot of horrible activities that were going on, not just in the real estate world, but in the lending world. You with me? One of them in particular was steering, and the other one was redlining. What I want to discuss with you today is steering, because that's the one that was very popular back in the 60s when it came to real estate. Steering is a realtor taking their clients, buyers, or realtor taking their buyers and placing them in a particular place, or not placing them in a particular place because the realtor believes this particular population doesn't belong there. You with me? Let's backtrack a little bit. Steering is encouraging a certain buyer to go live with a certain population in a certain area, or discouraging a buyer to not buy in a certain area because they believe this particular buyer does not belong with this population. You with me? Hey, bottom line is, it's discrimination. It's racism. It's not right. What if a buyer says to you, well, hey, listen, I want to live in this particular area, or you think a buyer wants to live in a particular area. Let's, for the sake of arguing, let's just take a Latin family. And you believe this Latin family would be more comfortable in a Latin community. So you say, you know what, I'm going to show these buyers houses where? In a Latin community. You don't mean any harm, but you're actually steering, which is what? Illegal and unethical. So how do you pacify that? How do you make things happen? How do you confirm that you're not breaking the law? Simple. Very simple. You look at your clients, right? This is called communication. You look at your clients and you say, hey, what particular area do you want to live? Give me some streets, huh? You want to live between Washington and Idaho and Colorado and 3rd Street? Give me some parameters. That would probably be the best way for you to stay away from trouble. They'll tell you, well, I want to live in, I don't know, in the Westlake district. I'm just making that up. I want to live in the Hollywood district. Making it up. I want to live in the east side of Colorado Street. If they give you perimeters, you're okay. You're A-okay. You're just following the orders. But if you take it upon yourself as a realtor, well, I believe your kind belongs with this kind. I believe your kind doesn't belong with this kind, so I won't put you over there. That's called you discouraging or encouraging them to be somewhere that they may not want to be in. And it's not your life, it's their life, and they get to live wherever they want to live. Why? Because we live in a free country, and everybody has a right to live wherever they want to live if they qualify. You with me? That's the beauty of this country. Hey, the only steering I want you to do is steer yourself away from discrimination. Stay out of trouble, all right? Hey, hope this helps you out. Play it safe, follow instructions from your buyers, and put them where they want to be. Hey, hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. See you next week. Hey, thanks for watching this last video. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Hey, do us a favor. If you think a family member or a friend would also enjoy it, why don't you share it with them? I guarantee it, they're going to get something out of it. In addition, if you have any comments, questions, or a topic you want us to discuss, hey, leave it down in the comments section. And one last thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you waiting for? Do it right now. Hope to see you next week.